aquí.
It's our set.
Still en café. Hello and welcome to Florence. We are in the Bibli Gardens. Here is the Neptune's fountain. So today it's Sunday and we're taking this trip more chill than the other days, especially Milan. That was, I don't even know what I filmed. I don't know what I've been, what I did. And we came with a fast train, so it just took us like half an hour. And we came to the Bibli Gardens because it is the first Sunday of the month. So I think it's in all Europe, but for sure in Italy, on the first Sunday, all the museums are for free. There are lines, like if you go to the Uffizi or the other, there's probably a bigger line, but I thought like here it'll be more chill. I'm not in the mood for crowd, and we came early, so it was less people. Now it's a bit later, so it starts getting more crowded, but it was so chill. There was birds, beautiful views. It's just so pretty here, and there's flowers, and oh my god, I saw ducks. There were a duck couple, cuteness overall, and they're here. Where's the lemon garden, and they came here for a bath. So cute. And the lady duck is swimming and eating, and she just behind her taking. So cute. And also there was like an Italian lady when I was with the roses, and she was talking to me in Italian. I understood like a couple words, but I was like yeah, and she kept talking to me. So I don't think she realized I didn't understand word, but like I smelled the flower, and she smelled it too, and she was like, "Oh, it smells so much." I was like, "Yeah." Like I understand a bit, but most of it I was like, see. But yeah, we're finishing with the gardens. I don't think I'm gonna go to the palace. I've seen enough. I don't think I'm gonna go to the palace because I'm too bored to go get tickets again because they're different. And I saw a lot of castles and palaces in Italy so far, and it's more of a chill day. We're gonna go get brunch, and for sure we're gonna see the center, like the churches. I want to see like a one photo booth and the piazza Michael Marcello. Not sure, but yeah, chiller vlog. We are on the quest for food. We were supposed to go like brunch after the Bibli Gardens, but we were already up, so we went to the piazza with the view. Here's the leather market, and until it is death. There are so many stairs. The streets are like that. We went to the church at the top. It was we want to die, but we did it, and we found like this rooster restaurant with chicken, because like let's go straight to land, but it was fully packed, and so we're trying to find some burgers. Hopefully there's no people there.
So tasty, so snug.
The top of my head is burned. Fried. In a couple of days it will be chilling. But anyways, I found this Foto Automatica a couple of years ago and I wanted to come before I even knew I would come to Florence. And we went there and it is broken, so took some picture in front. That's it. Now we're going to go to the Perfumeria, the oldest perfumeria in Florence, see the church, and then sit for a coffee because we have way too much time. And at the end, we have Korean barbecue. Life has been changed, right? So lives have been changed today. We tried this boba tea. Amazing. She had a better one. Mine was a bit too sour, but she had like strawberry peach smoothie. If you ever in Florence, just do that. Just JT. He even like presented the tea like it was a blessing. The best.
Come like a summer breeze when I fall, like autumn leaves. Wouldn't it be nice to grow old together? 'Cause you're calling out to me, but there's somewhere I gotta be. Wouldn't it be nice to tell me what's better? Priorities change, but people never do.
pork belly, samgyeopsal, and some rapagi. It was delicious. I'm pregnant with the food. Also, when we were like, we took the bubble tea to like a park, and then we walked, and we found another food automatica without like a line, a big line, and we took the photos. They're cute in their own way, and turns out I was supposed to leave tomorrow, but I'm not. Well, it was connected. In fact, one of my flights that was supposed to leave at 2 changed to 10, and the other didn't. So they canceled my flight, and they're supposed to refund it. Actually, I don't have the email for it. So I will probably like buy a flight from Rome and just take a train there, but I don't know where. But that was it for this video, and I will see you someday. Bye.